Hey, good morning GX community. This is GX Bob coming to you guys again to do another DIY. We are going to add on to a DIY that we did a couple of weeks ago, and I just wanted to add on to it because a couple of you guys requested this one. So sorry about the jumper, guys. It's my girlfriend's birthday tomorrow, and I'm planning a big party, and this is the kind of bullshit you have to deal with whenever you start dating 17-year-old girls, and yeah, bullshit. Well, anyways, exciting times are ahead of us. We are starting to introduce more and more things to our GX460 and GX470. I'm not forgetting, you guys, that most car channels don't consider. How do I know this? Because I do look around. Today we're going to tackle safety, and I have a very exciting product I want to showcase to you guys that you guys, most of you guys, I'm pretty sure 99% of you guys have no idea exists. So we are tackling on safety, where we're not dealing with performance, we're not dealing with how our vehicle looks badass. We are going to go tackle safety. Why? Only because more and more Asian drivers are on our American streets every year. Our GX460s and 470s are lined with fuel lines from front to end that can ignite any second an Asian driver makes impact with us good old Americans. So there's nothing really we can do about keeping Asian drivers off our American streets, but the only thing we can do is put in preventive measures so that our whole entire family doesn't go up in flames. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay, we're back at our GXs, guys. I just want to showcase to you guys two products I'm going to show you guys today. The automobile fire extinguisher. And you're probably thinking, nobody needs a fire extinguisher. All right, we'll get there, guys. I also wanted to introduce to you guys whatever is inside this black little box that's going to blow your minds. I know you, at this point, you guys are probably laughing because of the fire extinguisher bullshit. It's so funny how people laugh when they don't realize their 2010 to 2013 Lexus GX460s were installed with a Nissan igniter. And when that shit fails on you because you have a leaking fuel line or something, I'll be laughing when I watch you and your family go up in flames on the 8 o'clock news. You guys, this fire extinguisher is only about 1 foot long. It's very small. It fits in very small compartments, and the area that we're going to install it in is going to be a perfect area. It's going to go along with my MOLLE tactical storage installation video I did a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to show you how to install it. I'm going to show you a different way of it to install it without using this shitty bracket. Okay, I'm going to have a quick release for you guys to remove this right away in the event that your car catches on fire, your engine catches on fire, or anywhere along your fuel lines or whatever catches on fire. You are going to need something that's going to take out a big fire that comes in a small package. Okay, I'm going to give you guys the link of where I bought this from, but you guys can go to your own hardware store or whatever and pick up your own. And then there comes this black box right here. This black box is going to change the way we do things. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay folks, now we're going to go to our driver side right here where we originally installed our MOLLE tactical storage right here in my previous video. I will send you a link if you haven't already seen that. We are also going to pick up 2 of these Velcro straps. I am going to send you the link below my video. We're only going to need 2. You're going to take these Velcro straps, you're going to take the rounded end of it, and we're going to point it towards the engine. The buckle is going to be towards the driver. Same thing right here. Towards the engine, towards the driver, we're going to leave it down. The name is going to be facing upward. This is how we're going to install it. Now what I want you guys to do is take the round part right here and go ahead and slip it into the top notch of your MOLLE storage and slide it back down, route it down into the bottom notch and pull on it. Continue to pull until your buckle hits the top of the notch and doesn't go any further, and leave it down. We're going to do the same for this strap over here. There you go. Your completed strap assembly should look like this. Next, you're going to want to grab your fire extinguisher, take the bracket that came with the package, take it off and throw it away. You're not going to need it. We are going to take the nozzle, we are going to point it towards the passenger, and the bottom end is going to be towards the driver's door. So it's going to lay down just like this, but not at just any angle, folks. When you lay it down, you're going to want to lay it down at a 45-degree angle, just like this. This ensures that your gauge is visible to the driver, and also ensures that this ring right here doesn't catch onto your pants or your feet or your legs, okay? So it's going to be laying exactly like this. While this is towards the engine, this is towards the driver. Let's go ahead and put it inside the vehicle in this position. Here you go. In this position, you're going to want to go ahead and take the round part, go through the buckle and strap it down. Same thing right here. Go through the buckle, make sure you adjust the position of the nozzle to be pointed face down. There you go. Folks, the reason why I have the straps in this configuration is because in case of a fire, we're going to have to do everything quickly. Meaning all I have to do is reach down and pull, and the strap will release. I don't have to fumble around and try to peel it going forward, which takes too much time. Take both hands down, pull, grab the fire extinguisher out, and pull the pin, and we're good to go. Folks, the second part of this video is the black box I presented to you at the beginning of the video. It is an automatic fire extinguisher that is placed inside your engine compartment. So let's go ahead and open this up and check out what this is all about. Comes with wipes for you to clean your engine compartment. We're not going to need this. We are going to use our own alcohol. Gives you a set of instructions on how to do it. And here is the unit, folks. Comes with double-sided 3M tape on the bottom. And here it is. Pretty cool, huh? So folks, the supplier is asking you guys to install it right here underneath your hood. Okay, don't worry about hitting your engine cover right here. There's plenty of space. There's a big old gap right there. But the problem is this is double-sided tape. You've got a heat shield blanket right here. You're gonna have to figure out a way to install this right here. Either cut out a square hole, place it here, or you can clean this up real good and attach it with this 3M double-sided tape, and I'm pretty sure it will still stick, okay? But I'm not gonna go ahead and install it in my vehicle. The reason why is because I wanna test this out for you guys. I'm going to actually cause a fire in my backyard and try to replicate an engine fire to see if this actually goes off. So let's go ahead and test it out. Well, there you go, folks, the magic box. I'm not talking about the magic box that belongs to your hot first cousin. I'm talking about the magic box that puts out a flame before you even get a chance to get to it. It's always a good idea to take those magic boxes, buy several, and put them all over your vehicle, because there's so many times that I've actually seen on the news where passengers are squished in a vehicle and the car starts going up in fire, and medics and bystanders can't get to them in time because their seatbelts are stuck or something, or their car's flipped over and they're stuck. You want to put out that fire in order for any rescue team to get to them on time to get them out, okay? So, from my family to yours, keep them safe. All the products links are below the video. Check them out. Thank you. Peace out, guys.